All right, guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your wiper blades on a Ford Mustang. This is a 2014 model. So very simple and easy. Over here is your wiper blade. What you want to do here is you want to grab this. You want to lift this up just like that. You cannot let this drop back, okay, because it will break the windshield. So have somebody help you or put something here like a cardboard or something. So this thing cannot slam down there. But what I want to do is I'm doing this with the one hand. You have to squeeze this little guy and this little guy right here. And this wiper blade should just kind of come off if you squeeze both of these really hard. I'm going to try to manage that. And then I will show you how to get this back on. It's very simple. So I might not be able to hold the camera, but I'm going to try my best. Okay. But you're going to just squeeze these two right here. And then this whole thing will kind of just come off like that. Okay, I kind of use a flathead screwdriver to kind of prove that off. And this thing will come off just like that. And it comes out of this hook right here. Same process on the other side. I'm only going to show you one side. Make sure this does not drop, because if it drops, it will break your windshield. So if you're doing anything crazy, just take this lightly and put it there, because you don't want to be working here and that thing gets smacked. So we have a 22-inch wiper blade and a 20-inch wiper blade. So I'm going to take this 22. I'm going to get it out of the box. Okay, inside the package, you're going to have this piece, and this one's already on it. So all you gotta do is squeeze this, and this comes right off. If you squeeze this, this guy will come right off, just like that. And you're gonna take this piece, and you're gonna put this on. Should be very simple and easy. Okay, and then we're gonna lift this back up. What you wanna do here is, you're going to take this. This goes in there. Happens when customer buys his own pieces. So this is wrong, completely wrong. You couldn't try to compare it. So you see this slot, how far back is this? This got to stay evenly closed. So this is completely wrong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue the video with the old one. You take this little guy and you stick it back, and this is how simple it is to put these wipers on, okay? Make sure you clean the surface here, because you don't want the new wiper meeting the dust there. So she'll get new ones, and then it's the same process for the opposite side. So thank you for watching this video.